Ay, bakit ka naiyak? Bakit?
Kapagay dito.
Ha?
Kapagay dito.
Ano ba sabi? Yung message mo? Mamimiss mo ang mga classmates mo?
Lahat.
Ano ba nakalagay dyan?
Dear Teacher Karen and my dear classmates, thank you for making my school year so fun and happy. I learned so many new things because of you, Teacher Karen. I will always remember your kindness and patience. And my classmates, thank you for being my friends, for playing with me, helping me, and making me smile every day. I will miss our fun moments together, our lessons and the laughter we shared. Even though this is our last day, I will always remember you in my heart. I hope we can still see each other again and stay friends. Thank you for everything. I love you all. From Austin.
Oh, ang sweet naman. Mamimiss din niya ang mga classmates niya kahit makukulit sila. Okay lang yan. At kita-kita pa rin naman kayo sa grade 3 niyo, pag grade 3 na kayo. Pakatouch naman. Kahit makulit ang baby ko, love niya yung mga classmates niya, kahit nag-aaway sila minsan. Love mo sila? Love ka rin naman nila eh. Don't cry. Okay, don't cry na ha. Halika na, malilit ka na sa ano niya, pajamas party niya.